Hello everybody, hope you're all well. As you've noticed, Lucy has become like my little mentor and just keeps an eye on me to make sure that I say the right thing. Anyway, I'm here today to talk to you about International Forest Day, which happens to be today, the 21st of March. I love the theme around International Forest Day this year. It's around forest and innovation. And the tagline is New Solutions for a Better World. As from an aromatherapy perspective, I just want to focus on one aspect of that theme. Obviously, the theme is around protecting forests and recognizing and acknowledging the valuable role, the importance they play in maintaining the global ecosystem. The innovation for me is how forests help to heal, how trees help to heal, how spending time in nature helps us to heal. When we think of a forest, we think nature. So it's not surprising, for example, that my experience, especially I love going to Japan. We have many shops in Japan, have a wonderful team in Japan. So I've spent a lot of time in Japan, and many of you have come across some of my earlier presentations on forest bathing, or I prefer to use the term Shinrin-yoku. So this International Year of the Forest, I want us to think about the important role that nature plays in our role, the healing effect it has, and more importantly, how the gorgeous essential oils that we use, how they play such an important role in reconnecting us with nature. Not surprising that I came up with a gorgeous forest bathing blend. Of course, the forest bathing blend has all those essential oils that remind us of the forest, especially those rich, dense forests with spruce trees, with pine trees and Hinoki and fir and so on. The type of forest you would expect to find in Japan. It's very much a forest bathing blend. More importantly, and it reminds us of how important nature is, that time we spend in nature, for revitalizing our well-being, promoting not just physiological, psychological, emotional, but promoting also spiritual well-being. So please make sure today and every day you go out when you're going for a walk, whether it be in the park or whether it be in your local little bushland. And we're lucky in most places we live in Australia and hopefully around the world, you'll have your own favorite little piece of nature. Hug a tree and express your gratitude for that little bit of forest around you and those trees around you. And of course, the researchers have all found that the key elements of spending time in a forest evolve around engaging all the senses. A lot of the research has found that the scent is amongst the most important aspect. And of course, the scent of the forest trees comes from their essential oils. Please enjoy them. One more thing. Just make sure you check when you're using any blend or any oils that come from forest trees, that they have been sustainably produced, because we don't want to make the situation worse. So sustainably produced usually means that they are plantation trees. Indeed, most of the Hinoki forests in Japan are all plantation trees, as are a lot of the rarer wood oils. They all come nowadays from plantation trees. That's very important if we are to play an important role in preserving the forest for future generations. Thank you.